shoe. This kind of branch is generally not recommended, but it can be useful for connections to diffusers, grids or other elements, and is a quick and simple method. In this case, the branch has a lower height than the main duct. Firstly, a line must be drawn at 22.5 degrees, following the guidelines on the main duct, as in the case of the elbow. Then another line is drawn at 45 degrees, with a minimum separation from the previous line of 10 centimeters. The cuts are made with the MTR tools, obtaining 3 pieces which are sealed with climaver glue and taped with climaver tape. The hvac H profile is placed on the main duct. The branch is then added and inserted into the main duct to create a friction-fit connection with the hvac H. The branch cannot pass inside the main duct, as the hvac H has a lip on the inside. Finally, climaver tape is applied along the perimeter of the branch and the hvac H.